Valentine's Day graphic tee.
Draw a heart shape and convert it into several pieces with the help of the eraser tool.
Font name is Klender Demo Regular.
Create outlines.
Oh my God!
And group.
Place one alphabet under each piece.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Object.
Envelope distort.
Make with top object.
Keep repeating the process.
Do it! Why are you running? Why are you running?
Fill in the colors of your choice.
Edit.
Copy.
Edit.
Paste and back.
Choose color.
Effect path.
Offset path 5.
Object expand.
Pathfinder Unite.
Change back color.
Group all layers.
The design is ready.
Import your design into Photoshop. Then press Ctrl+S to save the image, providing a quick and easy way to visualize your design on a t-shirt for effective presentation.
Create a visually appealing design presentation. Using Photoshop mockups to showcase your work in a realistic and professional manner.